let's talk about the weight belt, how you wear it, and let me show you a little bit about the different types that we have as well. So when I first started out, I thought I was going to be really strong. Turns out I just don't have that in me. I'm a weak person by nature. But this belt right here is a two-ply leather belt made for powerlifting. Great belt, right? You would put it on uh, just like this, pull it down, make it so it's snug, fasten it in. There you go. You're ready to rock and roll. You wear it around your belly button, that part of your waist. So that's where most people wear it. Now, some people will wear it a little higher, and some people might wear it a little bit lower. But generally speaking, you want it right through this area because when you use the belt, you're going to take a breath in, you're going to push your abdominals against it, you're going to brace against it. So think bracing, right? You brace, you take that breath in, brace, and then you get into your squat or whatever power movement you're doing or lifting movement. Again, you can use a belt whenever you want to. That's the other thing. People will say, well, when do I know when to use it? Well, when you need some added support, some added bracing for your abdominal cavity, then you go that way. Now, here's a belt that I use currently because, like I said, I'm weak, but this is a fabric belt, very pliable, very comfortable. That other belt's not very comfortable. So you wear one like this, again, put it on, goes around the belly button area, snug it in. You should be able to put your thumbs in, but it's still snug, right? You want it tight. You don't want to be pushing your belt down onto your hips or yanking it up too high around your ribs because you want to be able to take that deep belly breath, that abdominal, that, what am I trying to say? That diaphragm breath. You want to be able to take that good breath from the diaphragm. So you take that breath in, brace against the belt, and then you can do your work. Again, this one's good for pretty heavy loads, but the other belt is much better. And then we have a hybrid belt. This one is a little bit of both. So we have a little fabric, it's pliable, but it's also got that leather two-ply. But again, you can see it's got a little more bend to it, a little more flexibility, a little more comfort, and you wear it again the same way. So the main thing is when you put these belts on, make them snug. Don't be afraid to snug them down. You don't want to cut off your breath. You want to make sure you can still breathe, but they're made so that you can brace against them. So it needs to be firm against you so you can be firm against it. Hopefully that helps. If you've been having questions about when or where to use the belt or wear the belt, hopefully that helps you guys out. Let me know.